Hey, what's good everybody? It's Yo from SubiSpeed, back again with episode number 2 of our WRX build or rebuild, whatever you want to call it. We need to get a baseline on the car and really figure out what is wrong with it. We're gonna start with cleaning it up and removing all of the stickers, because that's one of the first things I wanted to do, is really unify the aesthetic look of the car. And then hopefully we'll go for a drive, figure out what the car feels like right now and what are the areas of focus that I want to change. So let's get started. Got the stickers off, guys. Car's in the bay. So we're really just gonna do a quick maintenance wash just to get all the contaminants off, all the dust that's been sitting on this car for, you know, the few months that's been sitting inside our shop. The paint looks pretty good, honestly. We peeled off the stickers. There's a tiny bit of residue there. So hopefully just a quick maintenance wash will do it. Gonna do the wheels and tires first, and then do the paint. So let's get started on that. All right, guys, car's back in the bay. It's cleaned up, and paint looks really good, actually. To be expected, because, you know, we really weren't using it very often, didn't get washed very much, just some love marks here and there. You could use a paint correction, a small paint correction, and there's a couple spots where there's some other wear and tear, maybe a box or something leaning up on it. We'll take care of that as we go. But really, with the stickers off and the car cleaned up, this car looks fantastic. It really has cleaned up the look, and what's left is just some of the things that I personally want to get rid of, and also some of the mismatching items that are on one side of the car and not the other. So, you know, we have mismatching side skirts, one set on one side, another set on the other side. We've got the mismatching wheel colors, so we'll get those taken care of with a new set of wheels, hopefully, a new set of tires, obviously, since those tires that have been on here for 6 years or whatever are basically shot. And then some front end changes. I want to change the grille out. I want to change the fog light bezels, and I also want to change out the OLM Hikari headlights and back to most likely the SubiSpeed V1 or V2 headlights, because I just really love the look of those headlights. Besides that, we kind of ran out of time today, so we're not going to drive the car in this video, so definitely stick around, hit the like button, comment below what other changes that you guys would do, or what cosmetic changes would you guys leave on the car or take off. Let us know, and we'll see if we can get some of those items on the car in future episodes of the build. But subscribe, stick around, check out our next episode, because we're going to roll out the driving review portion shortly after this. So I'll see you guys on that one.